What's up, guys? This is Billy Davis, General Sales Manager of Orlando Harley-Davidson, and welcome to the tour of Orlando Harley-Davidson Historic Factory.
Whoa, they ain't never seen nothing like this before. Lit the room when I came through the front door. Ask me if I should overcome, what for? Train in the trees, please pardon my sycamore. Touch burning sands, cross lands, and stormy shore seasons in the year, yeah. Ain't no channel for champions and chain no fear. Yup, the champ is here, switch gears. We keeping haters in the rear. At the blood, sweat, and tears, and my goal so near. I see my victory so clear. I see my victory so clear. And today, we break through. And today, we break through. And today.
Hey guys, welcome to Orlando Harley-Davidson, the Historic Factory location. My name's Yos, I'm the sales manager here. Came to talk to you guys about a couple cool things that we're known for. Our amazing bike builds, from our big wheel baggers to our club style dynas. I mean, Cholo, Road Kings, I mean, we have it all. We have numbered paint sets. Introducing the new live wire this year, we're pretty excited about that. We have one of the largest inventories here in Central Florida. Actually, #2 Sportster dealership in the world. So come down here and see us for any of your motorcycle needs. We'd love to see you guys.
Now tell me what's my next stage, yeah. I said the champ is here, switch gears. We keeping haters in the rear. At the blood, sweat, and tears, and my goal so near. I see my victory so clear. And today, we break through. 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 And today, we break through.
Hey guys, welcome to Orlando Harley Historic Factory. My name is Avi, I'm with the General Merchandise team, and we're here to help you express your Harley style. We have one of the largest collections in Harley apparel, starting with our world-renowned custom Orlando Harley tees, collected by enthusiasts the world over. From protective eyewear to our extensive ride shop for both men and women, this is truly your Harley one-stop shop. From helmets, headwear, boots, and face protection, you name it, we've got it. And remember, you don't have to ride a Harley to wear Harley. Even cagers are welcome here. Thanks for checking us out. Hope to see you soon.
I'ma do it anyway. Put 'em in the dirt, say it again, man, and that's a reverse. Never rehearse, jumping in first. Call up the nurse, put the beat in the hearse. This is absurd, take the berserk. Don't get on the tracks, man, and they better swerve. Don't got a nerve, man, I never curse. Just casting these spells when I'm spelling these words. That's real, that's too real. I've been Roosevelt, I need a new deal. Trying to figure out what I should do still. I'm really never waiting here too still. I don't even know what I should say at all. Should I jump on in? Should I get involved? Guys around me, they love to talk. I take it all with a grain of salt. This work that I'm doing, they never see through it. And all of this rap that I see that they ruin.
Hey guys, my name is Charles from the Orlando Harley Parts Department. I want to show you some of the great product we have here. From exhaust to helmets, to seats, to luggage, to audio, we have it all here, guys. Your one-stop shop for everything for your Harley-Davidson motorcycle. We got our lighting section over here, guys. All the LEDs and tail lights and blinkers you can use, light up your Harley. Luggage, to pegs, to covers, to audio. We have it all here, guys. If you guys are doing your own maintenance, we got all oil, filters, gaskets, everything you need here to get your bike running in tip-top shape. If you guys do your own cleaning, we got all the products here for you as well. Make it look extra awesome. Again, my name is Charles here from the Orlando Harley Parts Department. Come on in, we can answer all your questions, get you where you need to be.
I'm a try before I stop crying on. Said I got my eyes on.
I just did a 24 song in a bitch, in the building, they already know my name. At the show, she gon' want a picture, she
Hello, my name is Rob. I'm with Orlando Harley and I'm a service advisor. I sit back here. This is where the fun begins. when you have a problem or need maintenance to your motorcycle. From there, we take it back to our dispatch location, and he hands it out to one of our technicians. Each aisle houses a couple of technicians. We have a number of tools available for our use. We have pole lifts, we have flat lifts to pull the motorcycle up so we can work underneath, on top, on the side. Our room over here, we have a dyno room for those performance enthusiasts that want to make more power or get a better tune out of their motorcycle. This is where the magic happens. This is where we fine-tune your motorcycle to make it run better. As I was saying, we have a multitude of tools. We have special computers that hook up to your bike that tells us the trouble codes, helps us program key fobs, helps us do diagnostics work. We have another aisle for technicians to work in. And we have our battery tester here. It basically tells us the state of health of the battery, tells us the co-cranking amps and the voltage. We use this to let us know if we can warranty a battery. It'll tell us if it's a good battery or a bad battery. And you have another row of technicians to work on your motorcycle. We can do things as simple as battery replacement, grips. We can do stuff as complicated as wreck repairs. If you happen to fall over or get into an accident, we can fix your motorcycle here. And we also do custom work on motorcycles. Basically, if you can dream it, we can build it. We've got a multitude of special tools that Harley requires us to have in order to do special jobs on your motorcycles. These drawers are all filled with those tools. We have full tire capacities. We have a regular tire machine. We can do up to 300 millimeter wide tires. We have a spin balancer. And when we're all said and done, after we've completed the service and work on your motorcycle, we send it out to our wash guy and we wash your bike out here. This concludes our tour of our service department. Thank you for your time. Please stop by for your service needs.
Yeah.